PrimeX Adhesive Primer is a unique product by Kinergo. It is designed for reliably bonding a friction lining with pre-applied adhesive. It makes positioning the friction plate easier and evens out surface roughness. PrimeX is supplied as a yellow powder, contains no flammable components, which greatly simplifies shipping worldwide. In its undiluted form, it has an extended shelf life, while retaining all its properties. It reduces the overall weight of a shipment, saving on your logistics costs. This form also eliminates the risk of leaks, ensuring the cargo stays safe throughout delivery. To activate PrimeX and use it in the process, we need to prepare a solvent. Pour 80 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol into the first container, and 80 milliliters of acetone into the second. Both can be purchased at DIY stores. Then mix them to obtain a ready-made solvent consisting of 50% acetone and 50% alcohol. Pour the finished solvent into the PrimeX and shake to activate it. It is recommended to dilute with a 12-hour rest period. That is, add the solvent, mix, let it sit for 12 hours, and mix again. If the solution is needed right away, mix it for up to 30 minutes until all lumps are fully dissolved. Before applying PrimeX, be sure to degrease the metal surface. Now take the activated PrimeX and, using the included brush, apply a thin layer. Only 15 to 28 microns, twice as thin as a human hair, is sufficient for activating the adhesive. A few minutes after application, you can attach the new lining and adjust its position. It can now be bonded in place, and no other adhesives are needed for fixation. Now the part needs to be bonded using the NF unit, selecting the appropriate set of adapters. Kinergo NF series units are highly reliable, offer a wide range of settings, and are ideal for bonding friction linings. Bonding involves more than just the adhesive polymerization. PrimeX softens it and improves its flow, helping the adhesive penetrate the roughness of the metal. Once the bonding stage is complete, remove the part from the unit and let it cool. The lining is now bonded. You can proceed to reassembling the torque converter. Contact information for placing an order is shown on screen. Thank you for watching.